NIO has been on a very strong rally for the past few days. You can see since July 20 till today, close to 50% gain. And so today, July 31, we detected unusual options activity on NIO to help us determine whether this strong rally will continue or will it fall back down. And so without further ado, let's get right to these unusual options. So when we take a look at the options tape, we can see here this September 1st, we have these 3,000 and 13 strike calls here. For the August 4th, 2,900. And this, we believe, when we take a look at the September 1st, this is 32 days away. You can see the 14.5 here. I believe this is a moderately bullish, but not very bullish, because they're selling the puts here. Okay, and when you analyze this trade, you can see that it's not so bullish because the profits are capped here. And that's what they want to collect credit, the premium, by selling options here. They're lowering their break even to 13.38 here. So NIO can drop to 13.38 and this trade would not be at a loss. And NIO can rally even higher. The profit is capped here. So the fact that the profit is capped and they're willing to take a cap on the profit tells us that there isn't very strong momentum coming in. Now, our next most meaningful and significant reason to believe that is when we look at the September 15s, 46 days away. Something on the options tape doesn't show, but we were able to detect it. 6,000 volume here, much larger in quantity than the 3,000 on the 16 strike puts, September 15. Right? So not everything you can find right away on the options tape. And so this is why it's also very important to subscribe to our channel if you want to find out where the meaningful unusual options activity are. Okay, so we believe they are buying the 16 strike puts here. And when you analyze this trade, let's take off the unusual options for the other one, and you can see here, as the price of 15.3 goes down on the x-axis, this trade becomes profitable. So this is bearish, a negative 48 delta, so that's a short position here. So 16 strikes, you want to be very careful. You can see that the price is about $200, 6,000 of them. We can estimate about how much is the value of this trade. $1.2 million. Bearish. So be careful if you are trading NIO. And if you are also going to stay long on it, keep in mind earnings is coming up on August 10th. That's before market. Okay. And also keep in mind these puts could also be hedges. If the underlying investor had stocks that they owned, they could have had lots of shares of stock and they wanted to buy put options because they wanted to protect their profits. But that also limits their profitability when they buy put options, just like this one here. There's a limit in profits in even when you buy these put options, like buying insurance, they have to pay for it. So the fact that these large investors are limiting their upside now tells us there could be potential downside coming up. So just be careful. And if you're interested in other stocks with unusual options activity, we provide exclusive videos for our members where we predict stock price based on unusual options analysis. And if you've been following our channel, you know how accurate it's been. So if you're interested in diversifying your portfolio with other stocks to lower your risk and increase your profit potential, join our membership by clicking the join button on our channel homepage. All right. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, smash that like button, and thank you. Take care, everybody.